Hello guys, hope you guys are doing great. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how I came about this logo design and how I presented it on a mockup file with the use of Photopea. Without wasting much of our time, let's move to Pixelab. Once you have opened the app Pixelab, you can see the logo is in front of us. So the first thing we have to do is go to the icon for Benza. Once you have positioned the logo, let's go to the icon for Benza. Click on Benza. Then we are going to zoom in order to position these two to the shape of the logo. So watch me carefully as I do this. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
let's go to gradients, select the color, okay, position it below the logo. So once you have positioned it, the next thing we need to do is to present our logo on mockup. In order for you to do that, you have to change the background to a transparent background. So you have to go to the fourth icon and change it. So once you have changed it, the next thing you need to do is to save as image. Save to your gallery, click on save to your gallery, then wait until it's load. So let's go to Photopea for the mockup. Okay guys, once you have saved your work, the next thing you have to do is to go to Google for the word Photopea. Let's search Photopea online. Okay, so once you have arrived the site for Photopea, click on the first link. So let's click on this first link. Okay, give it some time. Then the next thing you have to do is to go to this PSD template. Let's go to this PSD template. And the next thing is to choose this 3D glass, the one located here below this PSD file for bold. Okay, let's click on it. Okay, as you can see, the name of the mockup is 3D glass window logo mockup. So you can see the details of the PSD file. So you have to click on it. Let's click on it. Okay, once you have clicked on it, your file begins to load. So you have to give it some time for it to load, then it can appear at your screen here where you can see drop any files here. So just give it a little time, then it will load. It's loading. Okay guys, as you can see, it has opened. So let's zoom in. Okay, once you have the image as is downloading, you go to this third icon located at your left hand side and click on it. Then you can see in this third icon, you can see various images which were used in the creation of this background and this mockup. You can also see you have the color, the light, and the effect. So the next thing we have to do is to click on logo, double click on your logo. So once you have double click on this logo, you make it invisible, then move back behind. The text has been invisible. Right, click on the icon file and select open and close. Select documents, then move to your gallery and select the logo we just did. Okay, okay, this is the logo. Select the logo. So this is it. The thing you have to do is increase the size. Let's increase the size. Increase the size. So the next thing after you have increased the size is to click on file, Then click on Save Smart Objects. Once you have clicked on it, give it some time, it is loading. You can see okay, click on 3D glass, give it some time. Give it some time to load. You can see we have successfully present the logo on the mockup file. So the next thing you will do is to export the file to your gallery. I know this is a question you will be asking yourself, how to export this to your gallery. So you have to click on the icon file. So as you can see, we have, you choose PNG, click on PNG and click on save. Once you have clicked on save, you will see something like this. They ask you to download the 3D class window logo mockup. Again, go to download, click on download. So as you can see, we are done. It has downloaded. Go to our gallery and find out whether the logo we downloaded is there. Okay, click on download. So as you can see, this is the mockup logo.